Mum, I'm bored. I told you if you behave, you can have a treat. Are you having a good Easter, guys? Yeah, I love Easter, but I didn't get any Easter eggs this year. Oh, well, maybe if you're good, your mummy will get you that as your treat. Mummy, please, can I have an Easter egg as my treat? I've been good. I actually didn't want to get her an Easter egg. I was going to get her a magazine as her treat. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I'd just make the suggestion because you were talking about Easter. Please, Mummy, I really want an Easter egg. Oh, okay. I'll go and get one. Yes. Where are they? Oh, they should just be over there. Well, there's none there, just empty shelves. Oh, we must have sold out. Oh, well, of course you've sold out. It's Easter today. Why would you even suggest it? I'm really sorry. I just didn't think. What? I can't get an Easter egg? Now she's not going to stop talking about Easter eggs all day. I'm really sorry. You could just get her normal chocolate. That's not the same as an Easter egg. Oh, right.